visitors in town will help the local economy, but some doctors say it can also potentially increase cases of measles.
Don Trung takes a look at why local hospitals expect to see more cases in the near future.
Over the next 2 weekends, the fairgrounds will be packed with people for this year's Jazz Fest. It's just one of many reasons why millions of tourists visit New Orleans annually.
You know, we love to have people come. We have a great culture that we like to share with people and have them come visit us in Louisiana.
Dr. Catherine Baumgarten is the medical director for infection prevention for Ochsner Health System. She says the amount of visitors moving through the city and state can potentially increase the spread of infectious diseases, like measles.
That's an area that also might create an issue if somebody's traveling from another country or from a neighboring state that could have measles. That's why it's important that we have everybody get vaccinated that can.
Dr. Baumgarten says a drop in measles vaccinations is driving up cases of the highly contagious and potentially deadly disease. As of this month, the CDC reports there have been 800 confirmed cases of measles in the U.S. so far this year. A bulk of those cases, 624, are in Texas. Considering Louisiana's proximity to that state, Dr. Mark Klein expects the numbers here to climb.
And we've got over 600 cases of measles next door in the state of Texas, so I think it would be naive to think that we won't begin to see some pediatric cases here in Louisiana.
Dr. Klein is the chief medical officer at Manning Family Children's Hospital in New Orleans. Since unvaccinated children and pregnant women are at higher risk for measles, the pediatric hospital, along with Ochsner Health, is now training and educating its staff to better identify cases of measles, which some physicians say will inevitably climb in Louisiana.
We know that with travel being what it is, we will see children with measles here in Louisiana. We've got to be prepared to care for them in the best way that we can.
Now, earlier this week, Louisiana's Department of Health reported the first confirmed case of measles in the state this year. There were 3 confirmed cases last year, and according to the LDH, all of the cases involved unvaccinated people who traveled. Liz?